You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this beautiful island in part of the Canary Islands of West Africa, part of Spain. You've got the Spanish pronunciation, the way it's pronounced locally, and in Spanish in Spain, Lanzarote. Lanzarote. In English, however, it's normally pronounced as Lanzarote, 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 English pronunciation, or Lanzarote. Therefore, in English, it would be a bit more correct to say Lanzarote, but it's generally pronounced Lanzarote, the English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.